To Apex Investor, the channel where we look at the biggest and best opportunities in the stock market before they happen, while they're happening. Try to make sense of what's going on in the stock market, giving you the best exit and entry point strategies, and just trying to simplify the stock market altogether. So I already know what's going to happen in this video. I took a sneak preview, but let's just get it right into it. Big loser today, ASLN, negative 34%. Big winner today, RCAT. They're up 50%. Honorable mention to, where's that company that I am familiar with? iBio. No, not iBio. It's not the one. Okay, they're here somewhere. Naked. They're up 21%. So again, they're on a tear. We're going to take a closer look at Naked. Next, we'll look at the trending stocks. And as you can see, I'm up quite a bit. Just today, a lot of percentage points. Let's scroll down here. Sava's up over 10%. Good stock. And Metamaterials is a big winner today, 17%. We haven't seen that kind of jump since I'd say before the merger. It's been a long time since we saw a lot of movement. This is a big, significant day for Metamaterials. And it's only Monday, which means the rest of the week will be very interesting to see if this continues on an upward trend or will it be shorted? Are the shorts going to take notice of this? They probably have. Are they going to react and short this to oblivion? We'll see. Buckle up. Next, we have Hylian. They're up 8%, just under 10% there. And who else is moving? Such a great day. Really good day. CTRM's up 7%. Overall, the market is up, I'd say, in the green overall. Bitcoin is down somewhat to 42,000, just over 42,000 there. And who else? Yeah, Naked. We're going to take a closer look at Naked. They're up 21%. So they've just been on a tear as of late in the last month or so. And closing out with AMC, they are below $40, $39.30, and GameStop at $189.48. Let's take a closer look at those two stocks I mentioned. Naked and then Metamaterials. So I think Naked is seeing so much price action. Average volume 37 million. Volume, actual volume 336 million. It's massive volume today. That is what is driving the price up another 5%. So all in all, about 26% gain just today, including the after hours. You can see the last month support is looking like 50 cents. 50 to 60 is your entry point for this stock. Yeah, 50 to 60 is pretty safe. And seeing such a jump. Resistance is looking like 82. We could see this be shorted right back down to 50. But it is a cyclical stock. It's been between, what's the range here? 6 cents to 3.40. Will this get back to $1, $2? I don't know. Time will tell. It's been as high as 142, 165. I'm not sure if this will go back to $1. It might, but besides if it goes up or down, I think your safe entry point for this stock is looking like around 40 to 50 cents. If you're really wanting to get into this, then 60, but 50 to 60 looks like a pretty safe level of entry, especially in the last year, last calendar year at least. You can see a surge of volume right here, which seems to indicate 40 cents to 50 is pretty safe. If you can get this between 40 to 50, you've done yourself a great favor. Otherwise, 50 to 60 isn't so bad either. So that's all for Naked. We'll take a look at the darling of this channel, which is Metamaterials. Look at their day. Okay. Volume 38 million. So way above the average, almost double the average. And the day's range was 524 to 628. And we finished almost at the peak of the day. Let's look at the last 5 days just to see where we're going. Yeah, wow. Okay, so we've been around $5 for the last month or so, just hovering up around the $5 value. and it has really seen an increase just today. A really big trend, upward trend above $6, and it finished above $6, which indicates that what the shorts may not be able to keep us down for too long. It's starting to bubble. It's boiling. This is going right back up. This could hit $7 this week. Time will tell. Could it even hit double digits this week? I don't know. I am predicting it most likely will hit double digits by the end of the year. So by December 31st, we might see at least $10 for metamaterials. And so very good day for metamaterials and for this channel. So thank you. Thank you for a good day. Okay, let's look at Wall Street Bets and the subreddit metamaterials. On metamaterial subreddit, there's a website called TradingView. Metamaterials is a strong buy on the most volatile stocks page. So that's the first post. Second post is a doozy. It comes from stocktwits. Misspelled as stocktwits. Stocktwits, it is the number one trending stock, metamaterials, above Tesla, Alibaba, you name it, any stock up there, we're number one. What's the next page here? No comments yet. Okay. Be Big, most active. AMC, second most active. Fifth is Naked. Seventh most active is metamaterials. So we can see not only is this trending, it's getting a lot of attention on the internet, but people are actually putting in their money into this stock. We saw a lot of volume today. This is only the beginning, the start of the storm. $6 is good, but don't lose sight of the big war. We're going to the $10 level, eventually to the $20 level, eventually to the 30, 40, 50, maybe even $100 sooner than I thought, which was 10 years, but we'll see. Next post. Third post is saying that metamaterials has got 59% of its volume in the dark pool, which indicates that this is only the start of what is going to be very massive. $6 today, we could see $10 very soon, is indicated by this dark pool number. They can only hold off this deluge for so long until it really catches up to them. Shorts are going to be burned very soon. Talking about metamaterials beta value, I remember that GameStop and AMC are famous for being the negative betas, probably two of the only negative betas in all the stock market. Metamaterials is not a negative beta according to this article. However, they do have a beta of 0.5, which indicates that as the stock market goes, if it crashes, if it booms, metamaterials is not as affected compared to other stocks. So let's just read what it says here. Market cap, okay, it's talking here about volatility. So the securities price or metamaterial stock tends to be more volatile than the market. So if it is greater than 1, it will be more volatile. However, since it is less than 1, in this case 0.5, metamaterials will be less volatile than the market. So it isn't as dependent on the market going down or up. Metamaterials seems to be somewhat hedged, ironically, by the hedge funds themselves, who have shorted the stock to oblivion. It's one of the most shorted stocks on the internet, on the stock market, I should say. All right, moving on to the next post. Okay, this is it a bad idea or is it a bad scenario if metamaterials has a short squeeze? I'd say no. I don't think it's a bad scenario or bad situation. Look at GameStop. Look at AMC. Was that a bad idea for those stocks to squeeze? I think one of the biggest factors is not whether it squeezes. The big factor here is, can it maintain a steady volume? You need volume to keep the price up. Look at what happened with AMC. It got squeezed to $70, $72, but it couldn't keep up the buying volume. And as a result, the price of the stock went down to where we see it right now, below $40. It's not a bad thing. It's still a good price considering it was between $6 to $10 for a long time in January, February. GameStop for longest time it was around $10 to $14. Its goes up to $480. Was that a bad thing? No, because we can see the price today. It is hovering around the $200 mark. So for metamaterials to squeeze to $60 to $100 will not be a bad thing at all. So I just pretty much debunked this post. No, it will not be a bad thing for it to squeeze. So the last post we have here, can someone give a second grade explanation for a true smooth brain on what's going on with the Hazel project on the 30th? Okay, I know this week has some big potential for Meta, considering the nanotech vote is finalized on Wednesday. So in 2 days from now, and the Hazel project sale deadline is on Thursday. Does the Hazel sale directly have to do with our stock at all? Or are people just hoping we might see a partial dividend paid out for the Torchlight shares after the sale is complete? No, I think that's going to be the end of the year. Some company bought the option in 2018 to buy the Hazel project. They have till the end of the month to decide. Yeah, I'm not very familiar with the Hazel project, so I'm not going to comment on that. Just going to continue reading these comments. 1.3 thousand an acre. 1.3 thousand an acre, not 15K. Okay. Yeah, so I know nothing about this Hazel business here. So we had a great day today. Wall Street Bets is going gaga about SDC, about GameStop and other stocks. No mention at all of metamaterials. I think you're going to see Wall Street Bets really talking about metamaterials once it hits double digits. Once it squeezes, that's just the way it works. That's the way of the world. When things are so big and popular, they get talked about. But in these times where it's been floating around $2, 3, 4, 5, 6, below $10, it's not really going to get too much attention until it explodes. And then it's not going to be too late, but it's going to be much more expensive for people to buy in. Ironically, you're going to see a lot more volume at the $10 level, and then at the $20 level. So we'll see what happens. This stock is on a tear. It had a very good day today, and it's only the start. So thank you for your support. Until next time, we'll see you tomorrow. God bless you all, and God bless your investments.